Hi all, my name is Amandeep Singh and today I am working on most common problem of scrolling content inside ScrollView automatically. Let's get started. So start with UIScrollView, add it in your view, add constraint leading top, trailing and bottom. Now add another UI view inside the scroll view and add the constraints leading, top, trailing and bottom. Also make it equal width and equal height. Right, now make the scroll view full screen and take the constraints. Now add views inside your UI view. Let's say UI image view. Okay, one. Okay, now we have two image view inside our scroll view. So let's first add constraint on first image view leading, top, trailing and make it of specific height. Add constraint on second image view, vertical space from first image view and two constraint leading and trailing, equal height. Okay, now we have two image view inside our view. Let's add color to these image views so that we can look it in our application. Okay, now let's run our application and let's see if they scroll or not. So obviously they will not scroll because bottom constraint is not added on the second image view. Okay, so now it's not scrolling. So let's add a bottom constraint on second image view. Bottom constraint is added. Now let's remove the equal height constraint from the view and then on bottom constraint let's increase it height from 126 to 426 or whatever you want. See, our content starts scrolling inside a view. Now let's look at the simulator. See, these view UI image view starts scrolling inside a view. Thanks. Happy learning.